Rillsoft Project offers import and export functions that enable the exchange of project plans, resources, and other project information between Rillsoft Project and Microsoft Project. In 4 steps, we can import a project from MS Project into Rillsoft Project. Step 1. First, we save a project using MS Project in XML format. We click on the menu Item File Save as in the MS Project software, and select the file type star.xml in the file type field in the dialog that appears. Clicking OK will save a Project XML file. Step 2. In Rillsoft Project, we click the menu Item File Import MS Project XML. Then we navigate to the folder containing the file to be imported and select the MS Project XML file from the file list. Step 3. In the dialog window Manual Resource Assignment Resource Type, resources from the imported MS Project are displayed. Here, we can intuitively assign each resource from MS Project to a resource type in Rillsoft Project, such as role, team, employee, machine type, or machine park. We check a box in the corresponding column of the table for a resource. For example, team as a role. We can define resources individually as described above, or the entire list at once. If all resources can be assigned to a resource type, it is sufficient to click the corresponding button. For example, teams. In our example, almost all of the resources listed match the professional roles. We click the Roles button, except for the last resource which we assign as an employee. We click in the Employees column and confirm with OK. Step 4. In the Gantt chart, the project imported from MS Project, including its project structure and links, can be seen. The imported resources can best be traced in the resource view, Roles.